We shall start trigonometry from the most easiest section, that is trigonometric table of standard angles. In class 10, standard angles are taken as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now children, this is the trigonometric table. Now how do we read this table? You have to memorize all the values, okay? And how do we read this table? I will show you. See, for example, sine 0 degree is sine 0, it is 0. Sine 45 is sine 45, it is 1 by root 2. Tan 60 is tan 60, it is root 3. Sec 30 is sec 30, it is 2 by root 3, okay, like that. And one symbol you can see, this one is called undefined or infinite. जसको भ्यालु तिमीलाई थाहा छैन, एकदम ठुलो भ्यालु हुन्छ, यसलाई भन्छ undefined. Okay, and before learning this table you should know these concept, like 0 if divided by any number gives us 0, any number if divided by 0 gives us undefined, and any number if it is divided by undefined gives us 0. Okay, now first of all, in order to remember this table, what you have to do is you have to remember the signs value first. Okay, by heart you have to remember, like sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. Now for cos it is very easy, you just crisscross it. See, sine 90's value cos 0, sine 60's value cos 30's, sine 45's cos 45's, sine 30's cos 60's, sine 0's that is cos 90's. Okay, alright. Now tan's value, it's very easy because we know that tan is equal to sine by cos, tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. So if you divide this sine theta's value by cos theta's value, you will get the tan theta's value. Okay, for example, tan 0 is 0 by 1, 0. Okay, 0 by 1 gives us 0. Tan 30 is half divided by root 3 by 2, 2 cancels, 1 by root 3 we get. This by this we get 1, this by this 2 gets cancelled, root 3 we get, and 1 divided by 0, tan 90's value is 1 divided by 0 we get in undefined. Okay, 1 divided by 0 undefined we get. And cosec, it is very easy, you just reciprocate the sine's value. This sine 0 is 0 by 1, so reciprocate it. 0 by 1 reciprocate, 1 by 0 gives us undefined, 1 by 2 reciprocate, 2 you get, 1 by root 2 you reciprocate, 2 you get, root 3 by 2 you reciprocate, 2 by root 3 you get, 1 you reciprocate, you get 1. And similarly sec you reciprocate either cos, okay, 1 by 1 is 1, root 3 by 2 if reciprocated ulta पार्यो भने 2 पाउँछ हैन, 1 by root 2 लाई उल्टा पार्दा 2 पाउँछ सेकमा हैन, root 3 by 2 लाई उल्टा पार्दा 2. okay, यो this one no, cos को value लाई we are reciprocating no, so 1 by 2 लाई पल्टाउँदाखेरि 2 पाउँछ अनि 0 लाई पल्टाउँदा. अनि cot को similarly, you know, cot को either you can reciprocate tan or you just crisscross tan. Okay, like this. You can remember this by following this technique. Okay, now see, we have to know one thing, that square root and square will get cancelled, that we know. Okay, now in the first type of problem we have this. Okay, we will have this kind of question, either simplify or find the value of 1. So it's very easy how to do, I'll tell you. Okay, see, look at this problem very minutely. Okay, now cot 30, no, cot 30, what is cot 30? Cot 30 is 2 by cot 30 is root 3, so put root 3 bracket whole square. Okay, then first of all you copy this question once. Okay, then you just go on putting the value from the table. 2, then cos 60 is how much? Cos 60 is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Then sec 45, na, sec 45 is root 2. Okay, whole square you put. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, you put square. Okay, plus tan 45 is 1. Okay, if you put the correct values in madhyamik, you get 1 mark for this. 1 mark पाइहाल्छ यति correct value. तर correct हुनु पर्यो, किनभने correct छैन भने फेरि ओरालो you will get wrong. Okay, now what you do, square को स्क्वायर रुट र स्क्वायर काटिन्छ हैन, यु गेट 3। अनि यो ब्र्याकेटको पहिला खोल्नुपर्छ। 1/2 को स्क्वायर कति हुन्छ? 1 को स्क्वायर 1 यु गेट, 2 को स्क्वायर 4 यु गेट, 3/4 रुट एन्ड स्क्वायर क्यान्सल्स, 2 4 1 को स्क्वायर 1, 2 स्क्वायर इज 4 प्लस 1 को स्क्वायर 1। ओके, यति गरिसकेपछि बोर्डमा चलाउनु, मल्टिप्लिकेसन पहिला सल्भ गर्नु। 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 4 4 cancels. Okay, now if you find some numbers which are equal but with one plus and with one minus, okay, बराबर छ अनि एउटा प्लस मा एउटा माइनस छ, त्यसलाई काट दिइहाल्नु। ओके, सजिलो भइहाल्छ। then you see that these three terms are left। अब यो तीनटा टर्मलाई कसरी गर्ने? फ्र्याक्सन हैन, 1/2 3/2 3/1। फ्र्याक्सन को प्लस माइनस के हुन्छ? जहिले पनि एलसीएम गरेर गर्छ। So 3 को मुनि 1 लेख, 1 2 2, what is the LCM? 2, 1 divides 2, 2 times 2 3 is 6, minus 2 divides 2, 1 time 1 1 is 1, minus 2 divides 2, 1 time 1 3 is 3। थाहा छ हामीलाई LCM कसरी लिन्छ। ओके, देन एक एकवटा गर्दै सल्भ गर्नु, नअत्तालिकन यो कन्सेप्ट लाएर। ओके, प्लस माइनस माइनस 6 minus 1 5, sign of the bigger number minus 3, plus minus minus 5 minus 3 2, sign of the bigger number 2, 2 2 cancels, you'll get 1। Okay, so this is the first type of question which we will solve using trigonometric table. Okay, now we will start doing this kind of problems in detail.